Hello guys, so today with different video I will just unbox this router, this Xiaomi Mi AIoT router AX3600. So let's open it and see what is inside. So nothing to fix, so basically let's open. Okay, so here there is just some details of the different types of routers. So let's take it out and just see what comes in. This is the best feeling, to take off the plastic. Okay, all the plastic to one side, and let's now try to open. Let's see how this opens exactly. So okay, so just simple like this. So actually it's good that it has here a bit of foam. It's not thick as you see, but at least it's some kind of protection. So we have here the charger, which is expected. Here's some RJ45 just to be able to connect to the socket, and here we have the actual router. Okay, let's try to take it out, and we have here probably the manual 1 and 2. So let's put this to the side, and let's check the router itself. So here is the antennas. We can even already put them like this up. So yeah, so this is the okay. Probably we need to take this plastic if it will come out easy. Let's put here to the side all these parts, and okay, here it will come out easy, or maybe we need, yeah, it's over here in the back that we have it's glued. Actually we need to put again all of these down to be able to slide it here, and everything actually comes out, even the plastic of these antennas. Okay, so we take this one out and this one out. So as you can see, actually this is a quite long one. So let me actually take to measure it, just for you guys to see how long it is, because you see it's quite long. So the router itself, it's like 36 centimeters without the antennas. So if you go to antenna, it's like 42. So this is more or less the measurements. Almost for sure you can find the measurements in the box or something like that. It has here these, you can even see here some, let me put more light a bit, probably nice better. You can see here in the profile it has this metal thing. Probably this is, not sure what it's for. And here to the back we can see it has here the connection for the one, and then we have 1, 2, 3 ports here to connect to the power and the reset button, and it's simple as that. Then here we have all the defined by default Wi-Fi's and Macs and all of that information. Here it doesn't have even the password, I think, so this is probably something we will need to set up later on. I think we can even set up this with the phone. So this actually, it was a quick one. I will not connect anything now. This I just want to open and to show you guys. I think this main antenna will turn on here because it has here some LED, and that's it. So it's a bit different video today, but hope you like it and it's helpful, because I thought it would be smaller, but actually it's quite a long one. I didn't even search for the size of it, because for me it doesn't really matter, because this can be found for sure some in their page, or even here in maybe in the manual online. For sure there is all the details about this. For me, I just didn't need it. So it has here how Spanish how to do it, the connection, all the details. So here everything how to set up, so should be pretty quite quickly, and this is the warranty. So hopefully you like this one, and it will be helpful for something for you guys. So thanks, and see you in the next one.